Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm packing my stuffs for my journey to Australia. Today is the 1st of September and I'm trying to pack because I have a lot of things, and unfortunately my airline, which I'm going to be traveling with, said I can go with more than 30 kg bag, and I just have to take only one bag and 7 kg of the small bags. So I don't know how I'm going to fit everything in because I have quite a number of stuffs. I'm planning to give out some things, and I don't know, it's just a lot of things. So I'm planning to give out some stuffs and see how I can pack at least 30 kg of luggage. But I don't know how that will work, but that's what I'm trying to do. So let's find out. So guys, I'm super excited to be embarking on this journey. I'm so happy to be given the opportunity to study what I've always wanted to study, because the course I'm going for is something I have passion for. That's what I've always wanted to do, you know. So I'm so happy to be given this opportunity to pursue my dreams, pursue my career. You know, it's more like I've just been diverting here and there all of this years, but I'm finally able to pursue my dream, pursue what I've really wanted to do. You know, I've always wanted to work in the health sector, so I'm super grateful to God for giving me the opportunity to pursue it. You know, it's a thing of joy for me. I'm really happy. Well, I wouldn't say I knew this was going to happen. I didn't know. But you know, at God's appointed time, He always makes everything right, you know. So I'm so happy to be going to pursue my dreams, literally, and you know, adding some more feathers to my already long feathers. It's a good thing. So I just wanted to share this with you guys. I'm really happy. I'm grateful to God because at His appointed time He would make everything right. He knows what I want, so He just gave me what I wanted. Okay, enough of this. See you at the other side. Yeah, so guys, I kind of have a lot of things I'd like to carry along with me. Right now I'm done packing, but I've not weighed what the bag is. I don't know the weight of the bag yet. I'm so sure it's more than 30 kg, but there's some items I would love to carry, which was given to me by my daughter. It was actually given to her as a gift, but she gave it to me as a gift also during my birthday. So I kind of like this. Kind of like it, so I will be going with this one, but I don't know how to fit everything inside my bag. So by the time I'm done with this video, I'm sure I should be on my way to Australia. And my travel date is 5th of October. So I'll be going by 5th of October. I feel so sad and happy at the same time. I'm gonna miss my family. I'm gonna miss my kids. I'm gonna miss so many people, like everyone that loves me, literally. So I'm gonna miss them. I'm looking forward to the journey ahead. Hoping it's gonna be a good journey, but obviously it's gonna be a good journey. I've really never stayed alone before, so this will be my first time staying away from my entire family, and I don't know what it's gonna be like. Happy and sad, but what to do. Guys, let me not talk too much, so catch me or catch you at the airport or on my way to the airport. Bye.